Good afternoon, students. In our last lecture, we had learned about negative indices and different examples based on negative indices. Okay. Now, this is our last concept of this chapter, that is fractional indices. Now, as we know, value of root x is equals to x raised to 1 upon 2. Okay. When we write root x, we get the value as x raised to 1 upon 2. When we write cube root of x, this is cube root of x, we can write x raised to 3 upon 2. When we write fifth root of x, we can write x raised to 5 upon 2. Okay. Now, see here. Now, we will solve some examples based on fractional indices. Okay. Now, see here. Y cube into y cube into y cube. Okay. So, multiplication sign is there and base is same of these all terms. Y is the base and index is 1 upon 3. So what we can write, y raised to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. When we add all the numerators, as denominator is same, so we have to add all the numerators. So it will be y raised to 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 3. So it will be y raised to 3 upon 3. So the answer will be y raised to 1. Okay. Now next example, x raised to 1 upon 3 bracket square. How we can write? This will be cube root of x bracket square. This will be cube root of x bracket square. Y raised to 1 upon 4 bracket cube. What we can write? This will be fourth root of y bracket cube. Now see fourth example, 27 raised to 2 upon 3. As we know, 1 upon 3 means it will be cube root of that term. So what we can write? Cube root of 27 bracket raised to 2. And we know cube root of 27, how we can write? Cube root of 3 into 3 into 3. 27 is written as 3 into 3 into 3 and bracket raised to 2. So here 27 is cube root of 3. Okay. So we can write this as 3 bracket square. So the answer will be 9. Okay. Now question number 5. 25 raised to 1 upon 25 raised to 1.5. As we know, 1.5 means 3 upon 2. We can write 1.5 as 3 upon 2. So it will be 25 raised to 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 means what we can write? It will be square root of 25 bracket cube. Okay. So what is the square root of 25? It will be 5 and its cube will be 125. Next one. 2 raised to x equals to 64. Now how we can write 64? 64 is written as 2 raised to 6. And in the left hand side we have 2 raised to x. As both the bases are same, so we equate the indices, that is x equals to 6. Right? Example 7. Y raised to 1 upon 3 equals to 5. Right? Now here cubing both the sides. Cubing both the sides. So what we can write? Y raised to 1 upon 3 raised to 3 equals to 5 cube. Okay. This 3 and 3 will be cancelled and we get the term as y, which is equals to 5 cube will be 125. Now next example. Y minus 1 bracket raised to 3 upon 4 equals to 125. Now as we have written, y minus 1 raised to 3 upon 4 will be, it will be fourth root of y minus 1 bracket cube. Okay, which is equals to what we can write. 125 will be written as 5 cube. Now see here, this cube and cube will be cancelled, means we can cancel this by taking cube root. Okay, so fourth root of y minus 1 equals to 5. Now we have to take fourth root. Okay, we have to take fourth of 5, that is y minus 1 raised to 1 upon 4 equals to 5. Now y minus 1 raised to 1 upon 4 raised to 4 equals to 5 raised to 4. Now this 4 and 4 will be cancelled and we get the answer as y minus 1 equals to 5 raised to 4 will be 625. Okay, now y equals to 625. Shift that minus 1 to the right hand side, we get plus 1. So y equals to 626. Next question. X raised to 1 upon 2 into x raised to 4 upon 3. Base is same, so we have to add the index. Therefore x raised to 1 upon 2 plus 4 upon 3. Now we have to equate the denominator, cross multiply. 3 into 1 it will be 3, 4 into 2 it will be 8, divided by 3 into 2 it will be 6. Okay, now which is equals to x raised to 11 upon 6. Next example, 5 upon 4 into x raised to 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 2 into x raised to minus 3 upon 2. Now we have to divide these terms. 5 upon 4 upon 1 upon 2. See here, x raised to 1 upon 2 is there and it will be x raised to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now when we write these terms 5 upon 4 into, when we take this half into numerator, it will be 2 upon 1 into x raised to 1 upon 2. When we shift this minus 3 upon 2 in the numerator, it will be plus 3 upon 2. Okay. Now, when we cancel these terms, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and we get the answer as 5 upon 2 into. See here, x raised to 1 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. Base is same, so we have to add the numerator here. Denominator is same here. Okay. So it will be x raised to 1 plus 3 upon 2, that is x raised to 4 upon 2. Okay, x raised to, here it will be x raised to how much? X raised to 4 upon 2, that is x raised to 2. Here it will be x raised to 2, we can write. Okay, now last example, 7 raised to minus x equals to 1 upon 343 is there. 7 raised to minus x is equals to 1 upon 7 raised to 3. So 7 raised to minus x equals to 7 raised to minus 3 when we take in the numerator. So the answer will be x equals to 3. I hope all of you understood the given of fractional indices. Thank you.